How many times have you gotten onto your Facebook and looked and just saw tons of friend requests sitting there, maybe even hundreds like me, and you start to try to go through them and you accept them and you try to kind of vet the people and look at their account like, I wonder, do I know that person or are they a real person? And then you just give up like I did and you go and you download some other extension and just hit the accept all button and let it go and accept everybody because you just don't have the time to go through it, right? I've been there, done that. My name's Alan Dean. I'm the creator of the Friend or Foe extension, and it was created for exactly that reason because there was no way to handle all of these friend requests and nobody had a solution for that. But there had to be a way. There had to be a way to tackle this problem because I know you've experienced it just like me. You go and you accept all these friend requests, and then what happens? Hi, dear. How are you today? Hi, dear. Will you go like my page? Hey, do you need any solo ads? Hey, come buy this, come buy that. Oh, man. And you just get slammed with spammers and bots and fake accounts, and it's just endless, right? And you can never get away from it. So that is why Friend or Foe was created to solve that problem. Facebook is a social platform. It's why they call it social media. Facebook wants you to engage with people. I do not want friends on my friends list that do not engage with me. Friends that are not going to communicate with me or like my posts or comment on my posts. That actually hurts me in the eyes of Facebook. So we want people that are going to engage. So the whole point of the Friend or Foe extension is when someone sends you a friend request, our extension will immediately send them a message. And that message can be custom tailored to say anything that you want. And you can ask them, where did you meet me at? Where do I know you from? Hey, would you mind liking my page? Are you already in my group? There's a lot of opportunities and possibilities that you can use the extension for. But the point is that you're trying to strike up conversation with someone. Because if someone won't even take the time to respond to your message, they're probably not the kind of people that you want on your Facebook friends list. So let me jump in real quick. I'm going to show you very briefly exactly how the extension works. You are going to be absolutely floored when you see how easy it is for this to work. So looking right here, this is my Friend or Foe extension. And this is all it is. You're going to come in here and you're going to create your own custom message to say whatever you want. You can see what mine says. It says, thanks for sending me a friend request. I'm almost maxed out on my list, so I want to make sure that I'm only adding friends to my list. Can you tell me how we met or how you know me? And then I tell them that this is an automated message sent from my Chrome extension. Please don't take any offense to it. And if you want to learn how you can use the extension for yourself, you can visit this URL. One of the great things about Friend or Foe is that we also have an affiliate program, so you can earn money promoting Friend or Foe just like this. And already in our beta program alone, tons of people have messaged me and said, this is awesome, this is amazing, because every time I send my message, people say, hey, that's really, really cool. Where can I get that? Where can I get that? And people are already making money off of this extension almost instantly. So that's another great thing about it. And then I tell them, hey, if you are in my group, please make sure you join it here. I provide constant tips and strategies for marketers, and it's always free. And then I give them a link to my Facebook group. Look forward to hearing back from you. That's it. That's my message. Again, you can custom tailor that message to say whatever you want. You come down here and you click save, and it will run. You can also toggle the intervals to whatever you want. So you can have this thing fire every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, every hour, whatever works best for you. Click save, come up here, turn the extension on, boom, that's it, you're done. The extension is running, and you don't have to deal with those friend requests anymore. Just let Friend or Foe handle all of it for you in the background. So that's it, that's the extension. Hurry up though, because we just finished the beta round, and right now we're at a very, very low entry price, but that price is certainly gonna go up. So if you're seeing this video, make sure you click on the link below and get it while you can for the price that we have it at. Hope you enjoy it, take care.